You just found the 2018 Nissan Murano. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This sporty Murano was designed with your lifestyle in mind. From its generous cargo space to its silky smooth ride to its advanced safety and infotainment tech, this deluxe midsize crossover infuses every journey with confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: panoramic roof, navigation system, sun, moon roof, keyless entry, remote engine start, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, cooled front seat, heated rear seat, power passenger seat. Feel refreshed and renewed when you're behind the wheel of this luxurious Murano. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.